Another area in biology we're going to look at is physiology. Physiology deals with the tissues, organs, and systems and how they function in the body. So that is a very vital area in human study or other animals. Physiology, as earlier said, is the study of tissues, organs, and systems in the body of organisms. It also involves chemical processes in the body, that is, metabolic processes as tissue respiration, photosynthesis, and so on. So let's look at some sample questions on this area. Example 1. Which of these parts of a plant is photosynthesis least expected? The parts of the plants are 1. Bud, 2. Leaf, 3. Flower, 4. Root. So, which of them is photosynthesis least expected? If you look at all of them, it is the root that we are not expecting photosynthesis, and that is option D. So answer is option D. Number 2, the conversion of excess amino acid into urea occurs in the A. Spleen, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Kidney. Conversion of excess amino acid into urea is known as deamination. Deamination occurs in the liver. So the answer is option B, the liver. Number 3, the rate of transpiration of living should be highest under A. Damp, cold, and still air. B. Damp, warm, and moving air. C. Dry, warm, and moving air. And D. Dry, warm, and still air. For transpiration to be encouraged, the air has to be warm. So option A and B is out. And for the transpiration to be encouraged, the air must be moving. If it's still, it will soon be saturated. So the only one that answered the question is option C. Number 4, in a bakery, yeast is added to the dough of the loaves because the yeast produces A. Alcohol, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Ethanol. We know that yeast anaerobically break down sugar to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. But in a bakery, it is a carbon dioxide that the baker requires to make the dough rise. Therefore, number 4 is answered by option C.